everyone. I'm Koala Teacher from One English Academy, here to help with your homework. It's going to be fun. You'll see. If we go too fast, don't worry. Just hit pause. Take your time and catch up. It's all because if you hold on tight, we'll learn and grow. With every step, the more you'll know. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, we'll be reviewing Lesson 5, Singular and Plural Nouns. Remember, singular means one person, one place, or one thing. Plural means many people, many places, and many things. Most nouns change from singular to plural by adding an S. But if the noun ends with an S, CH, SH, or X, then we need to add an ES. If the noun ends in a Y, we need to change the Y to IES. Y to IES. Y to IES. If the noun ends in an F or FE, we need to change the F to a V and add ES. F to a V and add ES. And there are some nouns that are just super irregular. 규칙이 없는 단어들도 있지. For example, man, one man, changes to men, MEN. Or a child changes to children. One foot changes to feet. And a mouse changes to mice. If you're ready to get started with your homework, let's go! On page 18, the directions say to write the plural form. Remember, singular means one, plural means many. In number 1, we have fox. X로 끝나니까 X에서는 ES를 붙이면 돼요. Number 2, city. We have a Y. Y to Do you remember? Y to IES. Y to IES. So we'll spell cities CITIES. Number 3. 이거는 너무 쉽지? Just add an S. Cats. Number 4. F. F to V and add ES. F to V, add ES. LEAVES. Number 5. Foot. This word was an irregular word. 규칙이 없는 단어. Foot. OO 대신에 EE. Feet. Number 6. Toy. toy는 이것도 굉장히 쉬워. 끝부분에 Y가 있지만 O는 this is a vowel. If we want to change it to IES, it needs to end in a consonant. But our word ends in a vowel. So 여기에서는 IES로 안 바꾸고 toys, S만 붙이면 돼. Number 7, baby. Y고 B는 consonant이잖아. So we need to change the Y to IES. Next is a bus. S로 끝나는 단어들은 ES 붙이는 거라서 BUSES. Number 9, knife. FE가 나오네. F to and add ES. Knives. Now number 10도 irregular 단어. mouse가 아니라 ice, mice. Number 11, melon. 이거는 굉장히 쉬워. Just add an S. Now number 12 is also irregular. woman은 women. M-E-N으로 끝나는 거야. Great job. Please check your answers and we'll go to the next page. On page 17, the directions say to count and write. Ooh, we see 2 children. Number 2, how many apples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples. apple는 S만 붙이면 돼요. Ooh, 1 leaf, 2 leaf, 3 leaf, 4. leaf는 F로 끝나잖아. F는 V-E-S. 1, 2, 3, 4 leaves. Good job. Number 4. We see 1, 2. baby. baby는 consonant이랑 Y로 끝나니까 Y2, I-E-S. 2 babies. Number 5. Ooh, this is 1 check. book. 안 바꿔도 돼. 1 book. Number 6. 1, 2, 3. 시계는 watch. CH로 끝나면 붙여야 돼. 3 watches. Great job. Let's go to part 3. We need to choose and write. If we look here, we have all of our pictures. We need to write the plural form of each word. For example, in orange, the word ends in E. 그러면 여기에는 S만 붙이면 돼. So we will write it here. S만. Let's find our other word that ends in an S. Leaf, man, dish, baby, watch, child, puppy, table. 이로 끝났어. 그러면 tables. Great job. What about ES? ES로 끝나는 단어들은 S, CH, SH, 그리고 X. dish. SH가 있네. 그러면 dishes, CH도 있고 watches. What about IES? Change the Y to IES. Let's look for a word that ends in Y. Baby, babies. Puppy, puppies. Great job. What about VES? VES는 F 또는 FE로 끝나는 단어들. leaves. 그리고 knives. Great job. Now, 여기 보면 others가 있어. 등등. These will be for our irregular verbs. For example, foot가 아니라 feet. We have man. Man plural is men. Child plural is Good, children. Please check your answers and let's go to the last page. On page 18, the directions say to choose and write. In this part, we will be reviewing lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In number 1, we need to choose I or we. Are dancers. Well, we know are는 plural만 있을 때 사용하는 거야. I가 plural이야 아니면 we? Good. We are dancers. I는 혼자잖아. 나만. Number 2. Is that a tiger? Yes. Tiger는 S가 없어서 하나만 있어. Will we say they or it? Good. Yes, it is. Number 3. Are those books? Yes, they are. Are those you books or your books? You는 너, your는 너의. Good. Are those your books? Number 4. Whose cane is that? 누구 거야? It's my grandpa or grandpa's. 할아버지의 good grandpa's cane. Number 5. Is a teacher. 그 남자는 he is a teacher. his는 그 남자애. Number 6. They are wolf or wolves. wolf는 하나, wolves는 여러 개. They are wolves. Great job! In part 2, we need to read and write. Who, 누구, whose, 누구 거, and what, 무엇. This is Sarah. Chair is it? It's Sarah's chair. 아, Sarah의 의자야. So we will write, whose chair is it? Number 2. Are they? They are bears. 뭐야? What are they? Number 3. Are they? They are Tim's teachers. 누구야? Who are they? Great job. In part 3, we need to write the plural form. Remember, singular means one, plural means many. Number 1, book. All we need to do is add an S, books. Number 2, desk. 똑같이 K로 끝나니까 desks. Number 3, box. X로 끝나니까 we need to add ES, boxes. Number 4, city. 맨 끝부분에 Y가 있고 and a consonant. So Y to Y to IES. Number 5, mouse. 이거는 규칙 없는 거. Irregular, mice. Number 6, leaf. F changes to V, add ES, leaves. Great job. We're all done with our workbook homework. Now if you want to play our review game, let's go. Are you ready to play? There's a lot of questions today. Let's go. Let's start with number 12. How do we make baby into plural? Y changes to Good. BABIES. Next, number 6. Watch. 시계. CH로 끝나니까 we need to add WATCHES. Good job. Next is number 10. Toy. Remember, 이거는 Y로 끝나지만 Y 전에 consonant이 아니야. This is a vowel. 그럼 간단하게 TOYS. Number 3. Mouse. This one was irregular. 규칙 없는. Mouse가 아니라 mice. Good job. Number 5. Leaf. We have an F. F changes to VES. Number 7. Child. This one is irregular as well. Children. CHILDREN. Number 8. Knife. FE로 끝나네. F turns to VES. KNIVES. Number 9. Fox. X로 끝나는 단어들은 ES만 붙이면 돼요. Good job. Number 4. Cat. This one's easy. Just add an S. CATS. Number 1. Puppy. Y로 끝나고 Y 전에 this is a consonant. P-U-P-P I-E-S. Oh, so cute! Number 2. Man. This one is irregular. M-A-N가 아니라 M-E-N. Let's do number 14. Melon. 이거 굉장히 쉬워. M-E-L-O-N-S. Great job. Number 13. Bus. Remember, X랑 SH랑 CH랑 똑같이 끝나는 B-U-S-E-S. Number 11. Woman. Remember, men 방금 좀 전에 man 한 것처럼 똑같이 바꾸면 돼. W-O-M-E-N. And number 15. Foot is also irregular. O-O 아니라 E-E. Good. F-E-E-T. 275 points. Number 16. City. 오, Y로 끝나고 Y 전에 there's a consonant. C-I-T I-E-S. Great job! You did awesome. You did an awesome job today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. You know what to do. I hope you'll miss me and be ready to play. Koala Teacher will see you in the next video, okay?